So we have done up to up to what we have done? We have done the definitions of the terms. Now one by one coming. Now no one will be allowed. All are coming after 10 minutes. So we have done up to the terms related to lengths. Now, so first we'll see what are the factors on which focal length depend. So first is the nature of the two media, means nature of the material of lens and its surrounding. So same lens, when it is placed in air, whatever focal length will be there. If same lens is immersed in water, its focal length will be different. So nature of material of the lens and its surrounding. So lens, whatever the material, whether it is made up of glass, whether it is made up of plastic, or whether it is made up of any other transparent material. So second is, so here what will be, if we change any one of the medium, either material of lens or surrounding, focal length will change. So when same lens is placed in different medium, its focal length changes. For example, a lens made up of glass and completely immersed in water, its focal length become nearly 4 times. So that when placed in here. So any convex lens or concave lens, when it is placed in air, suppose its focal length is 20 centimeter, then when it is completely immersed in water, its focal length will become nearly 80 centimeter. So that is, if any one of the material is changed, either surrounding or is changed or material of the lens is changed, then focal length will change. That is one of the factors. Second is radius of curvature of the two surfaces. So if radius of curvature changes, focal length will change. Third is, as you know, refractive index depend on two things. One is the nature of material, and the other is, what is the factor? Other one? Refractive index depend on two things. One is nature of material, and other is what? Yes, Nancy? Yeah? What's saying? Praise. Yes, what is the other one?
Thickness of the lens.
No.
Wavelength.
Refractive index depend on thickness. Huh? Color or wavelength of incident light. So first factor and third factor is indirectly the refractive index. So mainly it depends on two things: refractive index and radius of curvature of the two surfaces. So color or wavelength of incident light. As we know, deviation is maximum for violet. So violet will be maximum deviated. That means so focal length of for violet is minimum, and that for red is maximum. So these are the mainly three factors on which focal length depend. Now other factors or other facts about focal length is what? Or focus is what? If lens is placed in a homogeneous medium, then focal length of both sides will be same. That is, first principal focus and second principal focus will be equidistant from the optical center. No, these all we have done. Now the ray diagram. So yesterday was told that we will start ray diagram, or to draw ray diagram to find the position so that point we have to know what is that. If lens is placed in already we have done yesterday homogeneous medium, homogeneous medium, you understood? Whatever the medium is left side of the lens, same medium is right side of the lens. Then what will be? This focus. So all the ray diagram we will draw only for this situation. That is, lens is placed in homogeneous medium. When we are saying when the ray is incident parallel to principal axis, it will, in case of convex lens, it pass through the focus. And that focus is what? Second principal focus. So in that case, what is that? We have taken 3 rays. One ray we have taken like that. If the ray is incident parallel to principal axis, it will pass through focus. So this focus is the second principal focus. So when we are saying it is passing through focus, means it is second principal focus. So as the ray is actually passing through this, so sometimes we can say it is convex lens is having real focus. The ray is actually passing through this. In case of concave lens, when the ray is incident parallel to principal axis, what happens? It appears to diverge from focus. So here is F2. As the ray is appearing to diverge from F2. So we call it virtual focus. So this concave lens is having virtual focus, convex lens is having real focus. Sometimes it is in the question it is asked which lens is having real focus. Real focus means what? The refracted ray is actually passing through that point. Here, the refracted ray is appearing to diverge from this point. That's why it is virtual focus. Now, we will draw the ray diagrams. If you are asked, find position, nature, and size of image form by a convex lens. When object is placed. This ray diagram we have done in class 8 also. So different positions, standard positions are given. First is beyond 2F. Second is at 2F. Third is between F and 2F. Fourth is at F. Fifth is between O and F at infinity. So these are the standard reference point we say, because here in each case nature will change or size will change. So these are the 6 standard reference points or reference position of the object which we discuss. If it is exactly at any point, then another scale ray diagram is coming. So how will you draw the ray diagrams? What will you do? You are having scale and pencil?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So first you draw one line. This line we call principal axis. As we have to show only one deviation. When the ray is passing through the lens, we have to show only one deviation. That is, we will show the deviation at principal section of the lens. So suppose this is the principal section of the lens. So this one line you will draw perpendicular to this principal axis. This line and this line are perpendicular. So this line represents the position of lens. Boundary of lens you can draw, afterwards you will draw. First you complete the ray diagram and then you draw the boundary of lens. Boundary of lens is not important here. So suppose this is your optical center. Now, if focal length is not given, so you are free, you can take any length as focal length. So just to check, generally we will take 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter as focal length. So suppose you are taking 2 centimeter, then 2 centimeter this side and 2 centimeter this side. You mark focus. 2 centimeter and then again 2 centimeter here, that will be 12. That side 12 here, this side like this. This distance should be equal. Automatically where the ray means image should come, it will come. So no need to learn. If you are asked ray diagram, you draw, it will come at the same place. Provided you take this distance equal and use sharp pencil and scale. Now, first one is beyond 12. So you are free, you can keep object anywhere beyond 12. Here is 12, means beyond 12 anywhere this side. So suppose we have taken one object here. So what will be one ray? We will take parallel to principal axis. So this also you have to take care. This distance should be always same. Then only it will be parallel to this. So this line should be parallel. Draw in nice way. What will happen to this ray? And we have taken convex lens. So for convex lens, you can mark here, okay, this is F2, this is F1, no problem. If you are not marking, then also no problem. It is understood. It will pass through the focus which is right side. That is real one. In case of concave, it will appear to diverge from here. So we will join this point and this point. Now another ray sorry. We will join optical center and this tip of the object. Suppose this is the object AB. So we will join this point and this point. In all the cases, it will be similar, except this infinity. Infinity I will do afterwards. So remaining all 5 will be same. So this point and this point we will join, and it will be like this. So here is the image of this point is this point here. As these two rays actually intersect each other at this point, so image of this particular B is formed at B dash. When we draw one normal here, because this object is perpendicular to principal axis, so image will be also perpendicular. So we draw a normal at this point, then the foot of this perpendicular will give the position of A dash. That is position of image of A. You are free, you can take this ray also in place of this. Suppose we have taken passing through F1, then it will become parallel. But don't take all the 3 because there will be slight difference. Theoretically, all the 3 rays should meet at the same point. Now, if you are taking this one, this ray, suppose we are, then this also will meet at the same point.
Sir, only 2 rays get to draw.
Only 2 rays. Yes. If you are asked draw 3 rays, then only 3rd ray. And while drawing, you will take care this ray must pass through this point. So here we have to write position. So where is the position of image? So when it is beyond 2f anywhere, the image will be always between this and this. So we'll write here between f and 2f. You can write between f2 and 2f2, no problem. What is the nature of image? It is real and inverted. So image is real and it is inverted. So position, nature, and what is the size? So in this way, as the exact size is not given, 5 centimeter or 2 centimeter, this is not given. What is the size of object? So we will always compare with the object. So we have taken an object this much length. What is the size of image? Less than this. So we'll write the size as we will write it smaller than object. Or we say it is diminished. This is the first case. Now, I am doing number 5 and number 6. This is all you have to do. And you write in all the cases. What is the position of image? What is the size of image? What is the nature of image? In all the cases, you have to write. Now, number 5. Same way. This is principal axis. This is lens. Okay, in that case, we didn't draw the boundary. So after finishing, you can draw the boundary of this lens, no problem. Like this, you can draw after finishing, or you can before and no problem. But deviation will show on this line only. So from this point only, you will. Without boundary also no problem. But afterwards you may confuse whether we have drawn the convex or concave, so it is advisable to draw the boundary also. But if you are not drawing boundary, then exact F2 and F1 you have to write. Then only we will be able to identify whether it is convex or concave. If you have drawn the boundary and simply FF you have written, then also no problem. Okay, so here again from this optical center only, all the distance we will measure from optical center only, not from this boundary. So from here we will mark this is F, whatever distance is there, the same distance will be 2F, whatever 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, it is F and 2F. Okay, so suppose this is F and this is 2F. Between O and F, you are free, you can take anywhere. Suppose this is the object. So one ray parallel to principal axis, it will pass through the focus. Other ray passing through optical center. Now when we produce it back, because it is diverging. So when it is produced back, image is formed somewhere here. So image of this point B is formed at this place. So in this case, what is so here when the rays are produced back at this point, image is formed. So we say image is real or virtual.
Virtual.
Virtual. So in this case, what will be the position? You will write behind the object. On same side of lens. It can be formed anywhere. It can form within this F also, no problem. Wherever you are getting, so it can be within F also, it can be beyond F also, it can be beyond 2F also. So that we have not to mention, because within this place it will be much different. When it is very close to F, if the object is here, you will get image at beyond 2F. So only the fixed thing is what? It will be always behind the object. Behind the object on same side of the lens. What is the nature? Nature is virtual and erect. What is the size? Larger than object. This we call magnified image. So here we will get the image will be magnified. Now, when it is infinity, what will be? As the object is at infinity, that means the rays which are coming, they are parallel to each other. Or, okay, already time up. Anytime class may be interrupted. So just you do all these remaining all. So all 5 you draw nice way. 6th one will start to next day, and then ray diagram of concave lens also. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you.